Before we dive in, it's essential to choose the right mold and inlays for your project. Start by selecting the mold that complements your design vision. Then pick a set of inlays that will bring your creation to life. Having these elements ready will set the foundation for a seamless crafting adventure. As you embark on your resin project, having a clear design plan is critical. Think about the colors, glitters, and powders you'd want to incorporate. Visualizing or even jotting down these elements will guide your creative process, ensuring a comprehensive and stunning outcome. Preparation is the key to bringing your artistic vision to life. Let's get started. First up, I've chosen this lovely heart-shaped silicone mold and a set of inlays that I call my hairdresser set. I'm going to begin by making these inlays come to life with vibrant mica powder in pinks and purples. But I first begin with the hand mirror, and I'm going to be using one of my intense mica powders in the silver to make the mirror appear to be the image of a real mirror. I will continue to color the rest of the pieces, the hairdryer, the comb, the brush, and the curler. However, I only use one curler in this project.
I know a lot of you are watching, and if you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, and it greatly helps my channel grow. I'm working hard here to build something special on YouTube, and your support makes all the difference. Thank you.
Now comes the fun part, arranging our colorful inlays inside the heart mold. I'm carefully placing the hairdryer, the comb, the brush, and curler in a way that I think will look the best once the resin is poured. And of course, making sure the mirror is facing outwards. I wanted to take a moment to share with you that these inlays are made by me, and this is my hairdresser set. It is an 8-piece set, and it is made with resin silicone rubber with a 15A hardness, offering high flexibility. They're perfect for adding any unique touch to any resin creation. If you're interested, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located in the description box below. Alright, time to mix our magic. I'm using Let's Resin epoxy resin and my trusty Resiners dual mixer to ensure everything is thoroughly combined. And to add some flair, I'm also incorporating some beautiful Marabou alcohol ink and a touch of crushed crystal for a bit of sparkle. Before pouring, I'm using my Let's Resin debubbler machine to get rid of any unwanted air bubbles. Now I'm carefully pouring the resin into the heart mold, making sure to carefully cover all of the inlays. But you do need to monitor the inlays to prevent them from floating. Just gently push them down if you need to, and watch for surface bubbles. In this project, I don't plan to remove the inlays, so it is perfectly fine should the inlays have some resin behind them. While our project is curing, it's time to print out our words. I use my Cricut machine to print out the words "Hair Clean" from the rainbow vinyl that I have.
Big news for all our wonderful subscribers. Get ready to dive into the excitement of our brand new subscriber celebration giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. With every milestone of 100 new subscribers, like 200, 300, 400, and beyond, I'll be hosting a special drawing to pick one lucky winner. But wait, there's more. For every 500 subscriber milestone, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and beyond, we're pulling out all the stops with a grand giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen to receive even more amazing prizes. Want to be a part of this thrilling giveaway? It's as easy as pie. Like this video, comment below so I know you're out there. Share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. That's your ticket to entering the giveaway for our next subscriber milestone. And the best part? It's entirely free to join in on the fun. Plus, I'll cover all postage costs for the winners. I'll be announcing the winners during one of my videos, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for your name and make sure to reach out to me within 3 days of the announcement. Be careful of imposters. I'll only contact winners through my official channel. If I don't hear back within 3 days, I'll draw another name, so make sure you're watching closely. Everything unfolds right here in our videos, so you don't want to miss out on a single moment. Let's celebrate these exciting milestones together. Good luck to all. Thank you for your incredible support. You make this journey amazing. You're awesome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.
And here is our Cricut design before we add it to our project. Sorry that I am out of camera shot a little bit, but I didn't want to leave out any footage. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how our resin heart turned out. Now it's time for a clever workaround. I'm prepping the back of the mold using some painter's tape to create a clean border. Then we're going to mix up some more resin like we did before, and we're going to be adding some opal glitter to the back for our backing color. I will carefully spread the glitter over the back of the mold and let that cure completely. While removing the painter's tape, I've discovered that my back layer of resin has run over onto the tape. I did expect something, but I did not expect the resin to run through the tape. So some did get onto my sides and my front. So there is some unexpected sanding that I need to do.
I ended up sanding all the way around the project, and I absolutely loved how it left a smoky look on the edges, so I left them that way. I just smoothed them around and left it because I thought it looked amazing.
And now it's time to apply our sticker that we made that says Hair Queen. And then we will put a clear coat of resin over the top, and our masterpiece will be finished. And I will be back for the big reveal. If you enjoyed this project, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials and hit that bell icon and be notified when I upload new content. Happy crafting!